I don't like to stay in a comfort zone. So I always pushing myself to the next wave of things, the next technology that's coming up. So I'm always looking for ways to improve myself. My name is Roger Magalhaes. In English is Roger Magalhaes, and I found Shades in Place in 2006 and Trading Up Consulting in 2020.
So how big is Roger? I could tell you that from California to New York, east to west coast, you can call any Hunter Douglas dealer, any Norman dealer, Lafayette, any dealer within our industry. And if you ask, can you name one person who's influential in our industry, who's a trendsetter? If you were to name 3 people, Roger would be on that list of 3.
The platform that he's set up for himself over the course of the last 15 years, being nationally recognized as one of the best shade installers in the trade, kind of really set him apart.
We do window treatments, shades, motorized shades, regular shades, window shutters.
We are heading into new beginnings in our industry. There are fewer shades with cords. Things are more automated. Child safety is a big issue. And when you look at the kinds of things that Roger talks about, posts about, writes about, it's leading right into what our industry will go into.
And the journey that Roger took to get here is just an incredible journey. Roger came to this country with nothing. Roger was willing to scrub toilets just to make money.
My plan in my mind, it was just to wash bathrooms and go to school. So when I came and I started doing other things, I just feel so privileged. When I was grown up, my parents were broken and they basically didn't have means to live on their own. And I promised to myself that I didn't want to live on the same life.
For us immigrants, when we decide to come to another country, it's not just learn the language, it's not just learn the culture, but it's fight. It's fight with our own feelings, because we came from mother, father, family that we leave behind.
Starting in 2006, I was a truck driver. So having a cookout over the weekend, invited my cousin over and his phone was ringing off the hook. And I say, dude, what the heck you doing? Your phone doesn't stop ringing. He said, I'm hanging shades. I say, what? Hanging shades? Who the heck pays you to hang shades?
Shades in Place changed everything for us. The company gave us chance to meet people, to get opportunities. For me, to go to college, to take English classes. For him to build another company, to help more people. That's Shades in Place for us.
And I know in between today and the day he came here, he's excelled at every job he's had, whether it was delivering pizzas, driving a tractor trailer, owning Shades in Place.
So Roger just recently started his consulting business. So he basically took on the wisdom and the experience that he'd had over these last 15 years running a successful window treatment installation business, where he's helping not only other window treatment installers, but other companies, as well as designers, interior designers, and fabricators. So I think it's helping him tremendously moving forward to help the industry grow as a whole.
Since I started trading up in 2020, I've seen a huge growth, even calls from Australia, Canada, UK.
Roger gets phone calls all the time from people all over the country. He's even done a job recently in Aruba.
I think the biggest thing is his customer service.
So when you take customer service, you look at Roger's business, you can simply go to Google and see how many 5-star reviews the guy has.
I think Roger's business has taken off so well because of the reviews Roger gets. And I truly believe people say, that's the guy you want to go to.
He had the culture barriers, the language barriers. And here he is, and this is a true immigrant experience. You leave, you lose your homeland. He never set any barriers for himself. It was whatever job I find, I'm gonna be the best at it. But this guy literally has earned everything from the sweat of his brow because of the hard work and the opportunity afforded to him by the United States and how he took advantage of those opportunities. That's truly the immigrant experience in a nutshell right there.